Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play SnowRunner on Android. SnowRunner is a fantastic off-road simulation game, originally designed for powerful PCs and gaming consoles. Unfortunately, due to its high graphical demands and complex physics, you cannot natively install or play the full version directly on an Android device. The only way to experience this incredible game on your phone or tablet is through the magic of cloud gaming services, which stream the game to you. Let's dive into how this works. Cloud gaming is like watching a high-quality video stream, but it's interactive. Instead of your Android device running the game, powerful computers in a data center handle all the processing. These servers then stream the video output of the game directly to your phone or tablet. When you press a button on your screen or a connected controller, that command is sent back to the server, and the game responds in real time. It's a seamless experience, making your mobile device a window to a powerful gaming rig. To play SnowRunner, you'll need to subscribe to a cloud gaming service that hosts the game. Popular choices include NVIDIA GeForce Now, which often supports a wide library of PC titles, including SnowRunner. It's crucial to verify that SnowRunner is available on the specific service you choose before subscribing. These services usually operate on a subscription model, offering different tiers based on streaming quality and session length. Do some research to find the best fit for your gaming needs. Once you've chosen and subscribed to a service, download its official app from the Google Play Store onto your Android device. After installing, log in with your cloud gaming account and link your game store account, such as Steam or Epic Games, if required. For the best gameplay experience, I highly recommend connecting a Bluetooth controller to your phone or tablet. Finally, ensure you have a very strong and stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi or a robust 5G network, to minimize lag and enjoy smooth off-road adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.